Hello and welcome. I am Adam Bata and in this playlist we are trying to clone this Netflix Signup. So in our last lecture we have created the now. So in this video we are going to create our farm. So let's get started. So first of all, if you don't have the code, you can find it in the GitHub repo down below. But I recommend watching the other video if you. So this is the code. So like you can see, we have the nav bar. Then now it's time for the farm. So I'm going to create a new farm.js file for the farm. And inside it, we are we are going to import the app first of all, and also we are going to be expecting by default a function called, and this function which will have our, so we have we will return for now an empty day. And now we need to add the farm on the farm that we are going to build in our main challenge. So we are going to head back and here import farm and because I am using console or VS Code, I will it will just automatically import the farm. And if you notice here I have the back the class, not the other coding tag. You can do it the either way, it's the same thing. So now let's get started. So first of all, let's just set the kernel. So let's get started with it. So I'm going to get started with the step the out. So to do that, let's go back, open the div and create a special hand tag or a key tag, but because this has special styling, I prefer to use this path tag. Then here enter the text, so step please um then like you can see and here like you can see we have this step three auto. But like you can see, it seems like it has another one, so we can just really we can inspect that and see the font. So font the font family is the special font Netflix created, but think font size 13 will just be enough. So let's that we are going to create a class name and class name and I want to create text and like sheet comes built with some things, but because 18 pixel is a custom element, so we are going to just open these brackets and then inside of it we are going to like pixel and here you go back like you can see this will be a 10 pixel. Then it's time for the heading. So for the heading, I will just copy this text and here create one on the heading. And part of it does that and then my text and as you start. So for the heading we can just say text to tell since since and why I specify the text because if you delete it by default, head one just makes the H1 look like a Peter. So a little, then he let him like his bowl. So to make it look like bowl, we need to go here. And create a new class called text class. Hold on. Just create a new tab called bowl, I think. No, sorry, font bowl. Font hyphen bowl. Like you see now, it seems like they had, and it has this width, so the card is below. So one way to do it is at the width, but I don't know the width. So we are going to install the BR right over here. So I'm going to install a BR. Now it looks like this. Of course, it is not in the center. We are going to center it later on. Then we are going to add the full card. So to do it, we can just inspect them. Like you can see, it's an image. They are both. So add an image first. We need to download both images because I would just put it in the GitHub out. So I'm going to save this villa thing inside it. But the most important thing is saving it inside the public folder. So save it. Here we go, we save the villa and we are going to save the master card now. Yes. Then we are going to head back and create normal normal HTML, we are going to create a simple image tag. But here in Next.js, we need to use a special image tag with the capital I on the image. So this is from next. So a little this is simple to this. So here we head back to the image tag, and like you can see this is so to use the image tag first a flag just like the normal thing, then you think we are going to type public class then the thing no. It's by default the default path is inside the public. So all we need to do is just pass it the via or family, then we need to add an R. It is good to add the art. And if you don't know what is an art, if the browser doesn't support images or the image is corrupted, then the art will appear. So here we are going to the same the image, and we need to specify the width and the height. So one thing I like to do is just set the height to 10 or whatever the height and let's Zero which will set to be automatic. And here, no, okay, so here, you need to start the image with a slash, like you can see this, it should appear now. Well, I don't know why it's not appearing. So let me just cut that. No, what is going on? It is, okay, so the reason it's not working because the width is zero. We still have the height is what zero. Like you can see now it's not feeding, but it's very small if you can see. So let's set it to 50, like you can see now. Um, this it's but I think it is blurry. So what we can do is just set the uh, just stay with the number that is changed. Like you can see probably is the best but sometimes like you can see it's very good. Now we need to create another image for the master card and we are going to just set chain start with the chain in the path. So here we are just going to both change this be the master card. So master master then here we can just say master. You can fill out the master content here, but like you can see it is not on the same line. And here, well, anyone will come in. We need to create a class in here. And let's call it chat to have, and if you know CSS flex is simply display flat. And also we need to have space between them. So we can just say space hyphen x hyphen create some space. If you can do it very small, so I'm going to highlight my no, I think this is looking nice. But I think the model between it and between the heading so we can just say empty string. But I think that will make a model that would feel good. Then now it is time for the like you say the first part of all of this thing. So we are going to make so to do it so so we are going to do it. But first we need to settle it. Make this in the settle the net. So what we can do is uh, just add this inside a bigger class image a and for example individual, and then add add small tools to the main setting. The first attribute would be extra and the W to take the food clean and also the height would be also and but we have to take the contact. When we need to add a flat camera, then let's specify the item in the letter. Now it should enter confirm that one. Yeah, so like here it's 100 and 100 and like it's held, but it's out of date. Seems to be. So what we can do is that change this to be clean and the height. With the height, the extra height that is coming is from the so what we can do here actually just go that the nav and set this to have an absolute zero left of it to make it a like you can see solve and it is in the handle that is looking very clean. Now it's time for the input. So what I like to do with the input because there's something with it is to create a component called input. Input. There you are, which will have a which will be called the accolade of called and the called function. Then here and return input. But what's different about this is not the input. But the difference here is that we need to add up. So the first block would be a placeholder and also other method and online. And we are going to cover all of this, but simply this is the component that you can pass as some parameter. So for example, we are going to create a div, and also we need to create a use case. And if you don't know what is an use case is an React hook, and and it's kind of hard to explain, but it is cool, and you will see how it works. And if you want to learn more, I will link down an article explaining it. So simply we need to import the hook of the app. That's a perfect set of this collection and that type of use. It will let you just say a consider, but we here is we will create an apply and for example, I'm going to just set that to be the first. Allow will be alert, and the set would be set current. So this would be control usage. And here you can add anything. You can add a string, an array, an object, anything. But what we want is a boolean of false. So by default, it will be equal to false. Then inside this there, but actually wait for a second. Okay, so inside this there, we are going to do two things. First, an input which will have a folder of change folder, and here we will have an email. No, here we are going to just have media name, but first I need to first enough. So it will be media will be set to and this is the valid parameter of item, and the width will be 50 and the height will be that. And here we need to add an if statement collect. You can add an if statement here. So to do it first you need to open this bracket and just and add the question mark and two brackets. And here simply says if LL is set false, then it will then this code here, which is the HTML will learn. And else, if it's false, not true, this will learn. So I want if not, does not display anything. We are going to but here we need to create a p tag. 1 second. So so p tag and it will be set to the alarm. So to do it, okay, alarm method. Then we are going to add some tiling later on. Correct? But inside of it, we need also there, this level will be left for the input and the image because this will have a class and some other classes like border to add a border. Then now let's try to add it. So to do it, let's go back to the farm. Uh, we can create a farm, a simple farm map. You don't know what it's farm you should learn about it is farm, and you can add actions and you can do things with it. Part of it, I'm going to start with importing the input that we done the here. Here you can pass the parameter that we learned already. So the first one is placeholder, and the placeholder will be hard, hard, like little. It's quite useful. The top. stops and Elon Musk has, for example, the same here what is and her number. Like now we have the school input. Of course, we are going to a little bit more, but for now it's fine. And then we need to get this card icon. So going to inspect that and this can be an SPD. So I'm going to edit this and the HTML. Copy it, go ahead and place it inside the public folder. Now I keep opening this card, but of course I will leave the everything down to the left. So now uh, uh, you can just say start with to to be the card or to be a string of the so slash card way SPD and we head back like you can see we have this there. As you can see similar to this. Now we need to add some bits but of course we will add the other the last of the input. So for example here put to add to locally let's a position let's add this to the what is position CSS you should learn it before you use it. The we need to add a pattern and set this to be absolute like of the so let's set the like with 0 then now let's create an other right but now it's after the box. So here the width will be about 100 pixels. The height is the we need to set the height to around 100 pixels, but well, also just take it to 50 pixels and it looks nice. Now I need to add some things like the padding of one pixel, so the padding is the number and the other. But now, like you can see, when you hover the burden, but it is not very good. So instead, let's go to class name and let's go to select and border set it to 0. Yeah, border 0 here. Value tele focus. Value focus. Focus. Value focus. This like the CSS selector. Now, don't know why it's like first. So focus, bundle of 0. Don't know why it's not working. Okay, so I start looking and should be offline, not bold. So on focus. we need to add some sort outline, la, no, and this should get rid of it, like you can allow, you can type without seeing it. But now we need the alert message to appear. To make it appear, you can add a lot of things, but what I like to do is on so the like you see the money on. So I want on select. So when you select that, I want to add a quick function setting the alert to be fast. When you select that, you will set the alert to be fast. Now we need to, when you do the focus, okay. So to add this, you can just set an on dollar function. So on dollar, I want a function, and I want you to check if the no if the value is correct. So, what if the value sorry a dot target dot value is equal to none, and then something but need to set the alarm message to you. And here, when you go here in type, use more focus like you can see that page. When you select again, it will disappear. But if you type something and move on, nothing will happen. This is the exact functionality we want. Now we need to add also that when the main thing loses it sets the border below. So here we need to add a class for the full for the not the this will be in one this for the we need to add anything. So here. So here we just say hello. So just add it as an object the talent bracket add and I'm going to check if they are linked. If it's similar, then I need to add something else. I'm going to add another step. So if it's similar, it lives. I want to set the bundle to let bundle this one. So the tag should be equal to the class name, color, the text, text, let's just type. And then to set the color of the text. Now it's done. So what happened?